Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fake snowing effect. Let's get started. As you can see, we have a snowy picture, but we're missing that snowing effect. What you're going to do is create a new layer on top of it, grab the brush tool, click on the brush settings right here. Make sure to select the small size. I'm going to choose 4 pixels, and go to scattering, and follow these settings. Put the scatter to a max, count to 1, and count jitter to 0. Go to shape dynamics, put the size jitter to max, minimum diameter to 9, angle jitter to 0, and now you can start drawing on your picture. Now, I know this looks bad, but you're going to have to believe me on this one. Make sure to cover the whole image. When you have this, go to filter, blur, and press motion blur. Make sure the angle is coming from the top of the image. And make the distance something less. And as you can see, now it looks like it's snowing on the image. What we're going to do is create a mask while holding Option, go to the brush, go to the special brushes, put Kyle's spatter brush, and start drawing. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.